من الهالكين توبتي وحسني إلى الله وأعلم من الله ما لا تعلمون فتحسسوا من يوسف إلا القوم الكافرون فلما دخلوا عليه قالوا يا أيها العزيز مسنا وأهلنا الضر الكيل وتصدق علينا إن الله يجزي المتصدقين قال هل علمتم أموالنا ما نشاء روحنا قوم صالح وما إن ربي رحيم ودود
Hi.
Hi.
What you want to do? Okay. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Mama.
Where's Mama?
Mama's.
Mama sleep. Aww.
That is 1, 2, 1.
Cheers.
Chichi.
I'm thinking about getting the best sign for the gate.
What is it?
No trespassing. We're tired of hiding the bodies.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Babaji's farm. Anji kya haal hai? Theek thaak. All right. As you can see today, our first job, we are going to go to the recycling center. Did have a lot of boxes lying everywhere, and no point filling our rubbish trailer with that. So, yeah, that's all ready to go. We're going to go drop that off there. Then we need to go Bunnings, get a couple of things from there, and then we're back and do more things. All right. See you there. Alright, these guys are waiting at the gate. But you gotta wait till we come back. Not going in yet. Wait till I come back, girls. Okay, down boxes there. Milk bottles in here. All sorted. Let's go home. Oh, let's go Bunnings. Okay, we're back home just before we start a job, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to have a coffee first.
Ariyah?
Yeah, she's here.
Ariyah is here enjoying coffee with Dado and Babaji.
Mia.
Push, push.
Yeah, the temperature's dropped.
Well, she's gone, so our fire is gone too.
Yeah, I know.
Zucchini bowl or spring roll? She likes the zucchini bowl. Mia saying take me for a walk.
There you go. You take Cleo for a walk?
Mia.
Say Cleo. Out.
Mia.
Cleo, move.
Mia.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
She's given up. She knows you're not going for a walk. She was hoping you're going to take her for a ride. Okay, so I'm going to let the cows in after, but I have to do this small job. Basically, we had a septic guy came the other day and he said that I've done it wrong. So what we're supposed to do is put another like an air ventilator somewhere here. So I have to basically just redo the whole thing. And the other issue we're having is, like you noticed here, this bit here is higher than that. So what's happening is the water is not really coming out as it should. So I'm going to redo all of that as well. So Mom's going to come and help me. We'll get this job done first before I let the cows out. I'll dig deep first now. Alright, here we go. I think this time we've done it right. So yeah, this air ventilation thing wasn't done last time, which is compulsory, but now looks good. So that same connection over there, basically another air stopper. So there we go, that just goes in and yeah, all connected. We won't put the dirt on yet because I just want to try it, but I'm just waiting until everything dries out before before we flush it. But now I put this guy back in, let the chickens out and let the cows in the cage for a bit. Oh boy, he's going in already. He knows you had your freedom. No, go back in, buddy. Come on, go back in. Okay, that's it. Stay there. Alright, look at him. They love getting up. Alright, you guys stay here for a bit. And you got a friend here watching you. So that's it, eat the grass. You want me to let you in now? Alright. Okay, cars are in. And my next job is one of these guys is our dinner tonight. So I'm just gonna go and get one, and I'll see which one is unlucky, which I can get hold of today. Okay, let's get one of them. They're all pretty decent size. What you reckon? What about you? Huh? Oh, look at this guy. Say goodbye to your brothers. Say I'll see you in the next couple of weeks. I gotta watch the big rooster because he'll attack me if he sees me taking. Oh, he doesn't care actually about the roosters, but if I touch the hens, yeah, he really comes chasing me. Anyway, I won't show you the rest of it, but you'll see him for dinner soon. Okay, rooster is done. That's with mom. Now I just cut some wood, take that in and put some of that in the shed because I think we are expecting a little bit of rain over the next few days. I wanted to cut all of that, but my chainsaw is still giving me issues, so I'll actually have to take it to the mechanic and get it fixed. It's just burning it. I don't know whatever the issue is. Either way, this will do for now. I've still got quite a bit in the shed inside, which I put it last week, and plus this one. So yeah, we should be fine. Cars are still in there. I'm gonna push them out soon, but and chickens are outside as well. There's one rooster missing. Wonder what happened to him. Anyway, I'll go and put the coils back, feed them up, and yeah, then take this wood in. Alright guys, what you think? You had enough? You probably don't want to go back, but we'll have to. Say hello. Hi. Lucky last. That's job done. Woohoo, disappeared. Alright, so that's job done. Now these guys can go out. Come on. Again, this is where most of the grass is, and that's where I want them to eat this grass. But they never went. They've been in this paddock for the last 2 hours. They never went in here. They've just been around olives over that side. And all of this grass here, I wanted them to come. And now, because they know that they gotta go, they think, oh yeah, if we come here, maybe he's gonna leave us here. No. You had your chances. Like, oh really, we're hungry, we wanna eat. Huh? Come on, buddy. Huh? 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 Not that way! Huh? 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 Where is she going now? I haven't done my walk today, so they're making sure I've done my steps for the day. Alright, I'll go on back. I'll go and get them back again. Alright. The cars are out. They're gone. It took me a while to get them out, but anyway, we did. Is that the same rooster? Yep, it is. It smells so beautiful. Alright. That's ready. Salad, yogurt, leftover stew, and I've got some fresh bread, roti. Alright, this smells so good. I'm gonna get into it. And I'll talk to you guys.
We talk to you tomorrow.
Hello, who's this?
Ariyah.
Your name is Ariyah.
Name Ariyah.
Oh, your name is Ariyah. Where were you yesterday?
Huh?
Where were you yesterday? Did you go popo?
Yeah.
Where did you go?
Bobo.
Popo. Oh, okay. We're gonna say bye now. Come here, quick.
Oh. Bye bye. Everyone.
Hi, everyone.
How are you?
All right, everyone. Well, thank you so much for being with us again. I'm waiting for my days off. There's quite a few things planned for those. I think I got about 5 or 6 days off, and we've got a Sydney trip in between as well, just for a day trip. Anyhow, have a great week, and we will see you next weekend. Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Bye. Hello. Bye. I'm monkey.
कितना था?
Can't check.
यही तो
इधर नहीं
चल
Go, man.
thanks man. You showed me.